Hello, welcome back. In this tutorial, I am going to talk about Jquery callback function. In last session, we saw about Jquery hide effects and show effects, and in this, we are going to and see we are going to go further on it, and we are going to see callback function. Basically, what is callback function? Callback function is function which executes right after the fx gets over. That is callback function. For example, in the hide function, we can write a callback function. So let's go and explore it. Here you can see we have one element which is paragraph, and I'm going to write this again. I'm going to write this again. Document dot ready function. So this function executes once the DOM elements gets loaded. So now what we are trying to do is we are going to give a hide effects to this paragraph. We are going to hide this paragraph using hide effects, that is hide function. So dollar and I'm going to just say hide. So on load of documents, this is going to that is paragraph is going to get hidden. So I'm going to save this, and here I'm going to refresh. So you can see it's got hidden once this he reloaded this browser. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a delay to this fx. So I'm going to write 1000. So 1000 means it will take 1 seconds to 1 second delay in the fx. That is, fx will take 1 seconds to get completed. So if I say 5000, it will take 5000 milliseconds. So let's see. I'm going to save this and come back and just reload. You can see it takes 5 seconds to 5 seconds to fx to get completed. Now right after the 5 seconds, I want to see a text appearing saying that this fx is over. So for that I'm going to write a I'm going to create another element called div. So I'm going to write as a test here. So let's save this and refresh. So you can see the paragraphs is getting hidden and test is remains same, doesn't get hidden. Now I'm going to write a callback function here. So how to write, let's see. Right after this 5000 milliseconds, I'm going to put a comma and write a function. In this function, a simple function, I'm going to say dollar selective dot text. If I say text, I I'm talking about the inner text of the div element. So div element text. I'm going to say fx got over or fx completed. So semicolon. So let's save this. So here you can see right after this 5000 millisecond command, and you are going to write a function. So what will happen is right after the paragraph gets hidden, this callback function will take effect. So let's go and refresh this. So you can see effects got over. Now this has to change. So you can see effects got completed. So this is a callback function. This has a lot of utility when you're doing animation effects and all. So you can control your DOM element using this callback function right after the effects gets over. So that's it for this session. In next session we'll see further on jQuery.